Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 21st of November. I'm James Spann. The sky mostly cloudy. A little illegal rain. That means rain not forecast on radar this afternoon. And rain chances will increase tomorrow and tomorrow night in advance of a cold front. And still a chance of some rain before Thanksgiving next week. Let's go in there and take a look at things this afternoon. We'll start with the upper air look across the continental United States. Got a big trough in the western states. And that will be lifting out, thankfully passing mainly north of the state, so we don't expect any severe weather problems. Typically, when you see something like that in November, that can lead to severe storms, but not this time. There's the visible satellite view for the southern half of the state, just some high, thin clouds. For the northern third of the state, it's cloudy, and look at that. That's that illegal rain we talked about. The guidance not detecting this, not picking up on this very well. But light rain is falling through parts of North Alabama, places like Winfield, Guin, Hamilton, Smith Lake, Lake Gunnersville, getting some light rain. That most likely will be lifting north tonight. Where the rain is falling, we've got only upper 50s in spots. Haleyville 59, Decatur 58, but down to the south, Montgomery's got 74, where they've had some sunshine today. Most locations are in the 60s. Very cold air spilling in behind the storm system over the northern and western U.S., but we won't see too much of that. The weather will be a little cooler by Sunday, but nothing too bad for this time of the year. There's the watch warning map. Got some winter weather issues and scattered pockets out west in the mountainous regions there. No severe storms expected through tonight, maybe some thunder west of the state. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over parts of southeast Texas and Louisiana. And on day 3, which is Saturday, you can see Alabama in the green. That means there could be some thunder, but again, we don't expect any issues with severe storms. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. The east is relatively wet, and this is the rain valid through Thursday morning of next week. In Alabama, the Shoals with 3.4 inches. Birmingham 2.3, amounts closer to 1 inch down over South Alabama. And off in the tropics, Tropical Storm Sebastian, north of the Leeward Islands. Getting a little better organized, this has winds of 60 miles an hour. The Hurricane Center expects this to briefly become a hurricane tomorrow, and then becoming post-tropical this weekend as it moves northeast away from the United States up toward the Azores. All right, model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 3 o'clock, and you can see that southwest trough beginning to lift out. And down below that, no doubt we'll have some chance of rain across the state, mainly tomorrow afternoon. And let me just say this as you look at the modeling here. Obviously, confidence is not good because the models have not initialized the current conditions very well. But this is suggesting a chance of rain over the northern and western side of the state. This is tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock. And again, for the high school football games tomorrow night, the playoff games, obviously the advice is to take along some rain gear. Yeah, I don't think it rains at every stadium. But for many stadiums, there will be periods of rain. This is Saturday morning at 6 o'clock. Looks pretty wet for the northern two-thirds of the state at this point. And then by noon, you can see the high-res NAM here suggesting the better chance of rain will be south of a line from Gadsden to Calera to Linden down to Grove Hill. And in terms of the football games, obviously there's a chance, maybe a decent chance, the rain will be ending in time for the Alabama kickoff in Tuscaloosa at 11. But rain looks likely for the Auburn-Samford game. That kicks off at 11 as well. So clearly take the rain gear to Auburn. And certainly for Tuscaloosa, you'll need it before the game. And then by Saturday at 6 o'clock, the rain is out of here. And temperatures will be in the 60s on Saturday, most likely all day. Let's go to Sunday. We're dry. We'll start the day around 40. The high will be around 60. The sky becoming mostly sunny. Let's go through Thanksgiving week. This is Monday, a sunny day. We'll start the day in the 30s, the high in the 60s. Tuesday, a surface low near Indianapolis. This is suggesting a chance of snow for Chicago and St. Louis if this verifies. And there's a lot of inconsistency out here. And remember, this is, middle of next week, and this will change again. But at this point, the day Tuesday looks dry. Then a batch of showers coming in here Tuesday night as the surface low moves into Canada, east of Detroit. This would suggest snow for parts of Michigan. And then Wednesday, Thanksgiving Eve, biggest travel day of the year. If this were to verify, we would be dry. The sky partly sunny. Pretty cool air mass. It's a 1030 high north of us. The high would be close to 60. In terms of travel, a lot of snow back in the western states and the mountains there. And the Northeast could be pretty unsettled. But again, for Alabama, things look quiet. And this is a week from today, Thanksgiving, Thursday, the 28th of November. Got ridging here, a big trough that's moving into California. And if this verifies, it would be dry with highs in the low 60s, right at seasonal values for this time of the year. Let's keep going. This is Black Friday. Remember, this is nothing but voodoo. We are in the land of voodoo. It's beyond 7 days. That looks like it could be dry with rain to the north. And then the following day, which is Iron Bowl Saturday, again, that looks dry with rain to the north. But understand this can and probably will change. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the European Ensemble. The mean, about 3 inches for the next 15 days. And the numbers... Temperature's pretty seasonal, a lot of 50s and 60s across the board, although the model's suggesting a colder shot out there around December the 6th. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog, the next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.